Here is how you can silence calls on your iPad. Let's get started. And if you're new here, definitely subscribe for more tips and explanations like this one. So in iPadOS 26, we have a dedicated phone app which we can use on, the general iPad, but it can also deliver notifications, meaning that it can also just get you calls. So if you want to silence that, you open up the settings and go to the notifications section. Part of that, you can see every single app which can deliver notifications, and obviously you should find the phone app as well, and you can turn it off completely or play around with it. Like you can enable the sounds or turn off the sounds altogether, or decide if it's going to show up as a banner or in the notification center, whatever. This is the first place to turn off the calls or silence calls on the iPad. On the other hand, if you have an iPhone which has an actual SIM card, it might be the case that your calls also get or ring on other devices like your iPad or even Mac. And you can most definitely turn it off, but you have to do it on the actual iPhone. So you open up the settings app, and from the apps below, you go to the phone section specifically, and you can find the section which is called calls on other devices, and you can disable it altogether, but you can also go specifically for each device. So for example, I can turn it off for just the iPad and keep it on for my Mac, right? That is obviously up to you. So that is another way to silence or even stop calls on the iPad. But there are even more things, of course, there are other apps which can also be used as call for calling, right? Like the FaceTime, or even those like the Zoom or Microsoft Teams, and those have their own separate settings for notifications, so that goes without saying. But as well, we have the focus mode on the iPad, which can filter specific people or specific types of notifications. So it might also be a good idea to just dig through these settings and set up a work focus mode or, personal focus, whatever. And then there you decided that the calls are going to be silenced for everybody except for one person, or however you set it up. But that's a great tool as well. So I hope it makes sense. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Let me know if it worked for you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna see you later in the next videos too.